Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy semi-homemade clam sauce. So I just put the linguine in some water to cook. Okay. And so while that's doing that, we can make our clam sauce. Okay. So I'm going to heat up the pan here, not too high. Okay. And the first ingredient is our homemade chimichurri sauce. You can see how to make that in episode 60. It's very easy. So I'm just going to get a tablespoon or two of that. Okay. Now, chimichurri is all raw. Okay, so there's raw garlic and raw parsley in olive oil. And so we're going to cook that a little bit before we to make our sauce. Okay, so just olive oil solidifies in the refrigerator, so I'll let that melt. Make sure that doesn't stick. Now that's starting to cook. You can smell the garlic. And you want to keep an eye on this. Turn it down a little more. You don't want the garlic to burn. Okay? You just want to cook and infuse the olive oil with the flavor of the garlic. While that's happening, get yourself a can of chopped clams and open that up and leave the juice in. That's clam broth, that's good. Okay. So when the garlic has started to toast and is looking, again, before it burns, but you can smell the garlic and you can see that it's starting to brown, then we will add the clams with the juice, and then heat that up. Get your dish ready. Growing up, we always cooked pasta in big, huge pots of boiling water. They took forever to boil, and if it boiled over, it made a mess. And it turns out you don't need all that water to cook the pasta. You just need a little bit, and you need less salt in the water to season the pasta. It's all good. It works just fine. So now I cook my pasta in a small pan with very little water. The only way to know if it's done is to taste it. So I'm going to grab one. It's still a little hard. Okay, our pasta is just about done. Our clam sauce has come to a simmer. So I'm going to turn off the water here. I'm just going to move the pasta in the this case it's linguine into the clam sauce to finish cooking there. Just toss it in. Get it good and coated. And we're done. So there you have it, delicious linguine with clam sauce in just a few minutes.